The InvGate Service Desk and Azure DevOps integration allows you to link DevOps work items to your Service Desk requests in just a few clicks. Let me show you how. Hi, Matt Barron, Product Specialist at InvGate. With InvGate Service Desk, you can integrate to your Azure DevOps instance to relate the items in both systems. Before we get started, you can always grab a free trial instance of our software at try.invgate.com and follow along, and you'll find a link in the description below. We'll also link to the article with these full instructions so you can see each specific detail for each step. Once you have this integration set up, authorized users will be able to see the status of the work item in Azure DevOps, the ID of the work item, and the title of the work item, all in the Service Desk request within InvGate Service Desk. Now, let's see how to connect the two. The first step is to obtain the personal access token from Azure DevOps, and you probably want to expire in a maximum of 1 year. To get this API token, you're going to go to this user settings icon here and choose personal access tokens. Now, I've got one set up, but to set it up, you're going to create new token, name it, set the expiration date, and the most important bit is that you have work items set to read. And for the scopes, you'll need to select custom defined and then click on show all scopes and add the read permission for both work items and for graph. Next, you'll log in to InvGate Service Desk as an administrator and go to Settings, Integrations, make sure you're on the Applications tab, and then turn on or hit the plus sign next to Azure DevOps. That'll pop open the configuration screen, and you'll put in a name like Azure DevOps, for example, and provide the exact organization name and key below. In the authentication section, now in the permissions section, you're going to define the user roles that will have access to this integration. Keep in mind that the parents of roles are included as well. So if you set this to agents, managers and administrators will also have access. And if you set it to managers, administrators will also have access. To finish, click on Test to test the connection and then Save, and your integration is complete and ready to be used. Once completed, the DevOps work items can be associated to tickets by opening a request and then clicking on the Relationship Plus icon over here on the right. Now I'll click on Add External Entity, and I'm going to choose Azure DevOps, and in here I'll fill in the work item ID. In this case, I'm going to go back to DevOps and just make sure that I've got the right key. I've got a bug here for my Cognos problems, so I think this is actually number 1. I'm just going to put in the number 1 here and link this. And now you can see that the relationship has been created. I can see a little Azure DevOps icon here, and I can see this relationship under relationships. When I click on it, I'm given some of the details like the status and priority, who has commented on it, the area that it's in, and any description that we've got. I can also, if I need to, click on this to view it in Azure DevOps and see the actual bug itself. This is particularly useful because this way you can associate service and support work to your development activities. And this is just one feature of InvGate Service Desk that's designed to make DevOps teams stay connected and communicating dev and ops. For more on this topic, subscribe to our YouTube channel or discover our solutions by signing up for a trial at try.invgate.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you again soon.